What is going on, guys? Today we are going to be doing some work on the MazdaSpeed 3. I don't think I mentioned it, but in a couple, I didn't mention it at all. There's some rust on the rear doors, and so I was lucky enough to actually find some rear doors for sale from another speed owner that had extras. So I picked those up, and I have 2 rear doors. This is the old one from the driver's side that we already took off. We did one door just to make sure that this would work, and they're the same color and everything. The new doors are very nice, and they don't have any rust as these ones did. And so, like I said, we did this door. And so another video that we're going to be doing is how to remove these door strips, because the new doors don't have these strips. So this door had a dent in it on the other one right here. As you guys can see, the side skirt was scratched, so I'm going to paint fill that one. But this door is on. It's a little dirty, obviously got to wash it, but we took it off, cleaned the door jamb. Door jamb's looking excellent. Very, very rust friendly, must I say. So that door's done, and like I said, this is the old door, big dent on it. And also the rust issue right here, you guys can't really see it, it's a little bit of rust right there. And so if we take a look at the other door, this one has no dents on it, but the rust right here has grown out quite a bit. So I'm gonna get these doors done, which we have the other door inside ready to go. Yeah, so it's actually really easy. I always thought about doing doors on that car. By the way, this is here. It's always gonna be here.
Next video, it's gone.
Next video, Mazda 3, junkyard. Taking shit off the 3 in the junkyard. We're gonna be taking this off, cleaning the door jamb. I'm gonna show you guys how to do that, and then we're gonna end it and call it a day. So let's get straight into it. The other door is in here. It's all ready to go. Cleaned it up. What's the first step we have to do?
Open the door. 3rd step, get in.
4th step, close it. That's not the right step. The first step we're gonna be taking is removing that little guy. We are going to be leaving these hinges on the door. This one comes off. We don't have hinges for the other door. This one's welded on, so you guys can't take that one off. So might as well leave the hinges on the door. It's quite easy to put it on. You will need 2 people to do this because it's very difficult. And we also got to remove the clip in here as well. So let's go ahead. So the first step is removing this one. These are all 12mm bolts. So that one's actually a 10. I was just kidding. There you go. Yeah. So that's done. So then we're gonna go ahead, take a flathead and try and pry this up. Unwrap that, which reveals us with a clip. Very easy to take off. And basically once that's done, you're like set for life. And voila, door be gone. And with that being said, we now have a open passage to the rear. So next step we'll be doing is taking this off, and then we're gonna clean the hinges and clean the rear door jamb, and then we'll put on the next door. You guys don't have to clean it if you don't want to, but I'm very meticulous with my stuff, so that's what I will be doing. Oh my god! This is too fast! Not down. And then once you wrap it over like that, you go ahead and just clip it right on. And then we got to do this one.
There you go. Get your head out of the shot, dude.
Can match you to your best sleep. Plus, get a hot buy Euro Top.
Yeah, check this side because we never tested the radio yet, just the windows. Yeah, definitely.
And there you guys have it. Both doors have been completed. It's a little bright over here. Oh my god, it's sunny.
It's really bright. Holy shit.
Both doors are off. That's the video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to hit the subscribe button. If you guys have any more questions or comments about this, let me know. Like I said, the next video after this is going to be the door trim removal, and we're going to be doing that right now once this video is done. But doors are successful. Like I said, you're going to need 2 people to do this. One person's just not going to work. You're just going to scratch a bunch of stuff. So get a friend, get your parents, get your mama, get your dada, get your grandpa. If you guys are also interested, I have Mazda Squad stickers for sale and also 2-point slow stickers for sale. If you guys want to pick some up for yourself, link is in the description.
Help your boy out, rep the merch, guys.
It supports the channel and it supports things to help us make videos for you guys. This is what we're able to do with your guys' help. Keep it real, guys. I will see you guys in the next one.